What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to give you a little bit of insight, a little bit of help that's going to help you become successful. So, what I want to do today is explain what this one hurdle is that is preventing your success. What is this hurdle that everybody faces? This hurdle is time. Now, just recently I was reading an article that was published a couple years back, but it was talking about what is your time worth. Now, in this article, and I'll post a little screenshot of the article, but inside this article over on Forbes, the author was saying how a lot of people waste time by doing simple tasks that they could go and hire or outsource to somebody else. Okay, for example, recently I ran into a cousin that was going to Target to go and buy groceries, which is obviously you need groceries, but what I do is I order all my stuff online and I'll just go drive to the store and pick it up, okay, if I really need it. Or I'll just buy it off of Amazon, and Amazon's going to deliver it right to my doorstep. So I never have to really worry about it. That's one thing you can do. It's going to save you some time, okay? The next thing you can do that's going to save you some time, which you have to do this simply because as a human being, we are programmed to complete the easy tasks first. That's the reason why everybody has this exact same hurdle. And the reason why this is a problem is because as a human being, we try to complete the easiest tasks first, okay? But here's the problem. The easiest tasks are usually the ones that require the least amount of skill. For example, washing dishes, you could hire somebody to do that. Cleaning your house, you can hire somebody to do that, okay? If you want somebody to come and, program a computer, build you a website, help you run your business, you cannot hire somebody for the same price as washing your dishes or cleaning your house as you're going to pay them to help you run your business, okay? Those are not apples to apples, okay? They're completely different. So what you need to do is figure out, reevaluate your life, reevaluate your business, and figure out how much your time is actually worth. Is it worth $15 an hour? If it is, you probably don't run your own business. If it's worth $100, $200, $500 or more per hour, you're probably running your business and you're probably very successful. So figure out how much your time is actually worth if you want to be successful. Now, if you do want to be successful and you want to stop preventing yourself from your future success, there is a solution, there is something that you need to do, and you need to do it now. Inside another article over on Forbes.com, there is a person that is talking about how to better manage your time. And one of the things that they say is you need to learn to delegate and outsource as quick as possible. This is something that I did when I first started my online business. I was writing a bunch of articles, and which was fine, but as my business grew and my business required more of my personal time, I had to outsource and delegate simple tasks like commenting on a website, writing articles, editing the articles, publishing the articles, things like that didn't require the CEO of the company to go and write an article. How many times do you see Bill Gates go and write something to go and post on some website? You never see it. How many times do you see him, he has a YouTube channel, okay? Do you think he goes and edits that video so he can publish it on YouTube? No, he probably doesn't. He may not even know how to, which is fine, okay? He has more important things to do. He has his time. It's worth more than what it's going to cost to pay somebody to edit his video, okay? Let me give you another example. This is an example anybody can use because you're probably doing this right now. One of the things that I do every single year, and I probably do it a couple times a year. This year, yes, I did do it twice. One of the things I do is I hire somebody, okay? I hire somebody to come and kind of comb through my business and watch what I do. And what he does, what he's looking for, is he's trying to figure out, is there spots in my business which could be perfected, which could be optimized. And he looks at my entire business and he tries to figure out, okay, this is what I would do. Okay, so here's what I recommend to you. There's people out there, whether you hire them or you just ask them because they're a friend or family member. One of the people you can ask would be your spouse. Okay, ask them, can you look at how I'm running my business and just give me an idea, give me some insight from an outsider looking in. What would you do differently? How do you think I'm wasting time? What do you think I could do to better optimize my business, optimize my time, make more money? Okay? All you got to do is ask. because there's people that will just come in and watch, see what you do. You can explain it to them a little bit. But here's why this works. Because the number one hurdle that is preventing your success is time. If you're wasting your time trying to reevaluate your business every single day, it's never going to happen. You're never going to be fully successful. Okay? So that's why I say go and ask somebody else. Get somebody's outside perspective. Whether you hire them or you just ask them, okay, they will help you out. One of the other things you can do to better optimize your time, okay, and prevent you from being so successful, one of the things you can do, which I actually do, and it's something very simple, it is to get rid of your cable. Okay, this is actually a money saver plus a time saver. Get rid of your cable and go and pay for Hulu Plus. Okay, go and pay for Hulu. You can get live TV if you want to do all that stuff, but get Hulu that you do not have to watch any ads. Okay, here's the reason why. Most people watch TV for about 2 to 4 hours per day, which is a long time. Okay, so if you have 2 to 4 hours of TV time, okay, in 1 hour, you are probably watching about 15 minutes of ads. In 4 hours, that means you're watching a whole hour worth of ads. Okay, do you see why this is a problem? That means at the end of the week, if you watch 4 hours of TV every single day, that means you just wasted 7 hours of your time watching ads for things you may or may not ever buy. You may or may not really even care about. Okay, so one of the things you can do to optimize your time is to get rid of cable, stop watching ads, okay? And if you're watching TV, yeah, you're wasting your time a little bit, but I understand a lot of people love watching TV, love watching sports, okay? I do too, but I figure out a way so that I do not have to watch ads, okay? I hate watching ads. If I have to watch an ad, I will not watch that show, guaranteed. Now, the last example I want to give you, it's going to be one more personal to my life, my business. But one of the things I do is I do have an assistant. This assistant helps me for about 20 hours a week. One of the things that she does is she comes in, okay, and she'll help me with things around the house, stuff like that as well. But one of the things she does, and the main thing she does, is she comes over to my office and she will help me list items to on eBay and to ship to Amazon FBA. Those are two of my businesses, and that's really reselling, but that pertains more to my life, my business. One of the reasons why I decided to hire somebody and outsource this task is because I felt my time was worth more than listing a bunch of products on eBay or listing a bunch of items and putting labels and sticking them in boxes and shipping them off to Amazon. My time was worth more than that to do other things. So because of that, that's why I hired somebody for 20 hours a week. Just 20 hours. So even if you pay somebody $10 an hour, which you're probably paying them more than that, but let's say you're paying somebody $10 an hour, for 20 hours a week, that's $200. $200 to do something to save you time, okay? To give and delegate a task that you could be doing, but your time is worth more. You can go do something else. My time is worth more to go and talk to potential wholesalers and get open up an account with them, or create a YouTube video to teach you guys something to maybe eventually sell a course or sell a product. My time is worth more to do that than it is to go and list a product on eBay or list that product over on Amazon, all right? So hopefully that kind of gives you a little bit of help, kind of shows you what I do, but also shows you I don't go and outsource 100% of my stuff just because I do enjoy doing it. So there will become a time where you will enjoy a task, but it's one of the easiest tasks you can do. But even if you enjoy it, such as sweeping the floor in your office or sweeping the floor in your home, that's fine. If you enjoy it, do it. But if you don't, it just becomes another tedious task. Outsource it. So the last thing I just want to say is that time will always be a hurdle. It's always going to be something that will prevent you from doing other things. We can never add more time. The one thing everybody says, when I talk to millionaires, one of the things they always say is that they wish they had more time. They wish they had more time with their family. They wish they had more time going on vacation. They wish they had more time doing this with their kids or spending time at sporting events. Nobody's ever said they wish they worked more. So the one thing you need to do if you want to ensure your success is you have to figure out a way to add more time to your day. And the number one way to do that is to outsource, to delegate certain tasks to somebody else so it frees up your time. All right? So hopefully this video kind of helps you out. Hopefully it kind of opens up your eyes to new possibilities, a new way to run your business. If it does, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video. like always, subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.